Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to send an audio file on WhatsApp. Whether it's a song, a recording, or any other audio file, this method will help you share it effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Once it loads, navigate to the chat where you want to send the audio file. This could be an individual conversation or a group chat. Next, look at the message input bar at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a small paperclip icon, which is the attachment button. Tap on it to reveal a menu of options. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Audio. This will open up your audio library or file manager, depending on your device and settings. Now, browse through your files and choose the audio you'd like to send. Once you've selected it, you'll see a preview or confirmation screen. Finally, tap on the Send button, represented by a paper plane icon. This will send your chosen audio file directly to the chat. And that's it. Your audio file has been successfully sent. It's a quick and easy process that ensures you can share your favorite sounds with friends and family in just a few taps. Thank you for watching this guide. If you found it helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance with WhatsApp. See you next time.